Okay, here is my attempt at electrolysis, rust removal for this Honda EB11000 gas tank. So I have my solution of borax and hot water, although I just guessed I put a lot of borax in there, probably too much. It's not all in solution. It's kind of coming out of solution, but we'll see. I don't know. They say 1 tablespoon per liter, but I'm not a metric guy, so I just got to pour it in. Anyway, here's my anode, piece of flat strap I found in my welding supply area there. I kind of heated up with a rosebud and screwed it to this here 2x6, put a right nice bend in there so it'll go right in there. And the weight of the 2x6 kind of holds it, keeps it suspended so it's not shorted right here. And that strap kind of goes down halfway, so there's some pretty good surface area, pretty good distance for the electrolysis, right about the halfway part of the tank, kind of dipping down like that. So I think this can work great. So that'll just sit there like that. I have a power supply block, 15 amp, 12 volt, 13.8. I think it's short circuit protected, I hope, but that's okay. And so I'm going to go attempt to pour this water in here. I know it's going to be messy. I'm going to clip the power supply on. The power supply is already powered up. Let's see. Yep. Short circuit works. Okay. Wish me luck. Okay. We're doing it. We are electrolysing. I have my anode in here. I had to put basically 2 buckets of water with borax in there. The borax that didn't go in the solution was just chunky. The box had gotten wet, so I smashed it up, poured it in. I think I got too much borax in there. But I actually took 2 buckets and I had to use a funnel that I used to fill my diesel tractor up because it was splashing everywhere. But this okay. It's got a urethane top. I did kind of overshoot and spill some here. This will dry out, but originally it started drawing about 3 amps. Now it's drawing 2.94, 3 amps. So I didn't expect that much, at least what the YouTube videos were showing. Probably because I have a lot of electrolyte in there. I put a lot in there. I didn't know how much. Well, I did. They said 1 tablespoon per liters, but I'm not a metric guy, so if a lot's good, more is better. This thing is 100% level. I'm up to the filler neck. I can, I can put some more water in there because I wanted to clean this neck off too. And this is the hole for the fuel gauge. But it's hot water. Wow, I could feel it. And it's foaming. I think we're doing electrolysis here, folks. We'll keep an eye on what time it is here. And I will keep you posted. I might dilute this down a little bit. Well, I can't really dilute it. I'm just going to pour more water. I have a kind of overflow tub. It just barely fit in there. It kind of overshot when I was filling it with the funnel, but that's all right. I'll keep an eye on the current here, and we'll see how it goes.